Diploma o diskarte? Marami sa atin ay narinig na po yung katanungan nito. But I do think though na medyo naive yung tanong Kasi unang-una, hindi mo naman kailangang mamili, ano? You can have both naman, di ba? Hindi mo kailangang mamili. Pwede kang may diploma at pwede kang maging madiskarte at the same time. Pangalawa, wala naman kasing single formula for success. We know na ang dami namang walang diploma na very successful. You can think of some, di ba? Si Mark Zuckerberg, si Bill Gates, and the others. And we know naman na marami ring successful sa buhay na merong diploma. What I'm saying is just, wala talagang single formula for success. Paminsan, dala rin po ito ng pagkakataon, dala ng mga opportunity, and other factors that could help us to be successful. At pangatlo, hindi lang kasi ito usapin ng ng success sa buhay. Kasi marami namang successful sa buhay na hindi pa nakagraduate but would still want na magkaroon ng diploma kasi tingin nila it could bring them sense of fulfillment, sense of satisfaction. So diploma, diskarte, I don't think kailangan mo mamili. You can have both. Yun lamang po.